Just Lauren Casey here now with the word on the forecast. So what a transition we've seen.
Absolutely, yeah. Warmer day today, but a cloudier day after all of that sunshine yesterday. And get used to the clouds. They're going to be hanging around a long time. But temperatures, they are feeling much more mild at this hour. 72 degrees in Philadelphia. That south wind eroding that chilly air mass that we had in place yesterday from south to north. We're still in the middle 60s, but that's big time improvement over the last 24 hours. In Allentown, low 70s right now down the shore, and our 24-hour temperature change on the order of 5, 11, 13, 14 degrees from this time yesterday. Also with the warmer air, a little bit of moisture as well. Those dew points up around that 60-degree threshold. So you feel that mugginess in the atmosphere when you step outside and getting a live look at Center City, Philadelphia. Sunset occurring just a few minutes ago. So we're in twilight right now as we overlook Logan Square and the Benjamin Franklin Parkway. We'll keep it mild as we head into the overnight period, but the clouds are going to be sticking around. Storm Scan 3 also showing us a parade of light showers that have been moving west of I-95. The concentration, though, decreasing, but still a few light showers impacting portions of Montgomery County and Bucks County as well. But much more action as we pan to the west, the Tennessee Valley, in association with a strong cold front that's going to drop in for us as we head into tomorrow night. But for tonight, staying cloudy and mild, only dropping back to 65 degrees. So a big difference. Chance of a spotty shower. Most of us will be staying dry, and then dry looks like during the daytime hours tomorrow. So if you forget the umbrella and you're going to be heading home after work, no problems for you. A warm day as well, 78 degrees under a mostly cloudy sky, but temperatures are going to be dropping off pretty dramatically as that cold front moves in. So as we head into the evening hours, no problem staying mild as we look ahead towards your Monday morning commute. Temperatures around the 70-degree mark, clouds around but staying dry. Then we could even start to see some sunshine trying to break through. Temperatures warming into the upper 70s for most of us by tomorrow afternoon. Commute looking dry, but then as we head into the evening hours, things start to deteriorate very rapidly as a strong cold front makes its way in. We'll see that rain breaking out by 9 o'clock west of I-95, west of the city. So northwest suburbs, Lehigh Valley, Berks County, going to see that rain moving in. Then 9, 10, 11 o'clock, the rain crossing over the city and moving into South Jersey. Notice the temperatures starting to drop down dramatically, starting the evening in the upper 70s, ending the evening in the low 60s, and eventually as we head into Tuesday morning down into the upper 50s. So we could see some rain lingering around, especially South Jersey and the coast by Tuesday morning, and then looks like we clear things out. Clouds stick around, though, for most of us as we head into the remainder of Tuesday. And then a big question is going to be with this coastal low that's going to form along that cold front as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. How much rain will it bring us Tuesday night into Wednesday? GFS has us very wet during this time frame, but the Euro has us mainly dry. So stay tuned to that evolving forecast. Hopefully we can get some model agreement pretty quickly on that. But regardless of what happens as far as how much rain we'll see Tuesday night and Wednesday, we stay cloudy, we stay cool, and we stay breezy. Looks like potentially even into Thursday and Friday. So kind of a dreary week ahead.
I believe you have your fall finally.
Indeed.
You have your fall. Lauren, thank you so much.